Washington, good evening, Delta 84 with you 330, direct hog.
Delta 84, Washington, roger. What's your Mach number tonight?
We're currently at 80, Delta 84.
Roger.
Fair wings 8884, level 327 for flight level 270.
Spirit 8884, Washington, roger. You can proceed direct to Heckman. Cross Heckman at 9,000.
Alright, that is direct to Heckman and Heckman at 9,000, fair wings 8884.
Yes, sir, and the Philly altimeter 2980.
90, thanks.
Washington, good evening, Air Canada 098 Heavy at flight level 360, and it's just starting to smooth out now.
Canada 098 with Heavy, Washington, roger. Unfortunately, it's probably going to get choppy again closer to Norfolk that you get, and then south of Norfolk it will smooth back out again.
Okay, we check, thanks. And is higher better? Is 380 any better?
You know, I really don't know. I'll get right back to you.
Okay.
Taka 578, how's your ride?
Nice on his mood for Taka 578.
Roger. Air Canada 098, they're saying it's decent at 37, so if you want to try 38, I should be able to do that here in the next few minutes.
Sure, yeah, we'd like to request flight level 380 for Canada 098.
I dropped that for you here in about 2 or 3 minutes. You're not quite in my airspace yet. Spirit 936, cross Seattle at 8,000, the Atlantic City altimeter 2976.
Yeah, 8,000,
Air Canada 098, climb maintain flight level 380.
Maintain flight level 380, Canada 098.
Canada 098, you can proceed direct to Kinston, ISO.
Draft Kingston, ISO, Air Canada 098, thanks.
Caribbean 017, start your descent now, please.
Okay, native flight level 390, Kevin 017.
Taka 578, what's your Mach number?
0.78, Taka 578.
Taka 578, roger, cross hogs, flight level 190.
Taka 578, we will cross Hawks 190, flight level.
Delta 84, do you guys require any further assistance? Hawks is about the further up the line we can go.
Yeah, Hogs is fine. We don't require any further assistance, Delta 84.
Okay, thank you. Delta 84, cross hogs, flight level 190.
Delta 84, cross Hogs 190.
Southwest 2316, level 3 minutes.
Southwest 2316, Washington, roger. Southwest 2316, you can proceed direct to Hampton.
Okay.
Center Delta 84.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, we do not have the NOTAMs for JFK. We're hoping to land on the longest available runway. Can you help us with that?
Yeah, I'll look them up right now, and then I'll give a call to New York as well and see if they know of anything anything out of the ordinary.
Well, we are going to be overweight for this landing, which is why we're looking for the longest available runway.
Roger. Yeah, I'll give them a call and see what they can accommodate.
Okay, thank you.
Spirit 936, contact Atlantic City approach 124.6.
124.6 for wings 936.
Caribbean 017, New York Center 12532.
12532, Airline 017.
And Delta 84, I just pulled up the NOTAMs real quick. I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary besides some runway signs that are out of service. But let me call just to make sure.
All right, thank you. Yeah, if we had our druthers, we'd like 3-1 left, but I do believe that's closed on the ATIS, Delta 84. I'm sorry, I think I got that wrong. So 3-1 right's closed, so if we get 3-1 left in JFK, that'd be great.
Delta 84 just called ahead in New York, and they said more than likely you should be able to get 3-1 left, but he was going to call ahead to approach control and then get back to me.
Okay, we'll plan on that, and if it changes, then it changes. But Delta 84, thanks for the help.
Yes, sir, and if you need a hold or anything, just let me know if you need to burn off fuel.
Well, we got about 65,000 pounds more than we'd have to burn off, and we're just going to go ahead and land.
Okay. Speedbird 34 November, the Boston Center, 135.8.
135.8, Speedbird 34 November, good night.
Spirit 8884, Philly approach, 12435.
12435, good night, Fairwings 8884.
Delta 84, New York was asking just to verify you guys never declared emergency or anything?
That's correct. We have never declared emergency, Delta 84 Heavy.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, they were asking, and no. All right, thanks. And Delta 84, contact the New York Center, 12532.
New York Center 12532, Delta 84 Heavy. Good day.
Good day.
Center Delta 84 Heavy, passing 230, flight level 190.
Delta 84 New York Center, roger. And Delta 84, passing your request for runway 31 left, and approach said they'll see what they could do.
Excellent. This will be an overweight landing, so 31 left will be much better for us, Delta 84.
Okay. And Delta 84, expect 31 left.
Delta 84 Heavy, thank you.
Delta 84, cross Cameron at 1000, speed is your discretion, Kennedy, altimeter 2980.
Cross Cameron 1000, speed our discretion, Delta 84 Heavy.
And Delta 84, do you need anything at the gate?
Delta 84, we need customs, and that should be it.
Okay, thank you.